Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create or set up your Google My Business profile for your business from the scratch, step by step. And also we are going to cover about the verification methods and also the ranking tips. So let's deep dive into the things here. I'm going to share my screen here. So now, first step, you should have the basic requirement. What are those basic requirements? You should have your physical address, you should have your phone number, you should have verification, the types that should be comply as per your business. The step number two, you should have the Google account. That means your Gmail ID. How you can create the Gmail ID? Go to the here, the accounts.google.com, type your first name, last name, and click on that. It will generate the some default email ID, or maybe you can change according to your requirement. This is the step number two. And step number three is that so easy. You need to create the business profile for your business. That means you should have done your basic work. That means you need to think of that before coming here. What is your business name? So to create that business name, first thing is that you should not be creating any randomly. Here is the one of the important Google business profile tips I will give. And this is very, very important. With this, you outperform your old competitor and your profile will perform very well. Adding your keyword and the business location will outperform or will give the ranking so much in the first page or in the top compared to your competitor. If you are starting out newly, or if you are the business who can be change your name, and if you are willing to do that, you can do this. But you have to be very, very careful here. Okay, so now what you need to do, you need to go to the google.business.com, and when you open that, this will show like this, the page here. So now you sign up with the sign whatever. Now just you created email ID, or if you have the old email ID, you can use. But my suggestion is that you create the separate email ID account for your this business profile. So once you click on this, you need to click on the sign in. Once you click on the sign in, it will take you to the create your business profile. Let's say, as I told that, first you need to decide that your business name, keyword, and also the location. Let's say if you say that I will just write down here dentist, dentist, maybe Bangalore. Okay, dentist, Bangalore, or maybe A1, A1 dentist in Bangalore. So it's showing that. So what I'm doing here, dentist is the keyword, A1 is your business profile name, and Bangalore is the location. So with this, what will happen? The who's over creating, who's over typing the, or maybe searching that dentist near me or in that proximity, in that locality, you have the chances to come up or maybe appear in their search. So now, once we create it, this is a very important. Now you need to go to select the type or maybe category. So now category is very, very important. This is the fourth step, what we are going to create now category. Category is very, very important. It is the make and break your business. So when you select this category, let's say, for example, click on or maybe type your dentist. So you see that cosmetic dentist, pediatric dentist, dental insurance agency, dental hygienist, dental implanter. You need to select the which is the best suited. For example, if you are maybe interior designer, if you are some maybe pest control or maybe something else, or maybe the garden or something like that, then you need to select as per the your business requirement. So let's say once you select this category, click on this next. Now we need to work on this, the type here. Do you want to add a location customer can visit like a store or office? So here you need to select the types. This can be considered as the step number 5. What type of your business? Or your business is kind of you have the local storefront or maybe the location where people are visiting like a local store or maybe kind of let's say a gym or let's say a dentist. These are things. And if you are a business like services, you are visiting to that service. Let's say if you are a plumber, you are visiting. If you are a pest control, you are visiting to the places, right? Those are comes under the services. Now you need to select this. Do you want to add a location customer can visit like a store or office? Then you click on yes if it is. If it is no, you need to select as a service. No. So now what we'll do, we'll select first as a the physical address. Now go to the next. So now you need to add here that entire your business addresses where your business is located. Let's say, for example, I will add some random number here and some random city and some pin code. Okay, then I'll select the state. State belongs to, and again, this is based on the country to country, it will depend. And now, since I'm in India and selecting these things, if you are in another location, this may be a little bit different for you. Just you need to click on this next. So this is very, very important. Now, is this is your business, A1 dental clinic? This is doesn't match. Let's say, for example, if your business or maybe someone business is similar to you already claim that, it will show that already it is there. Means someone is already using this. If you like that, you need to click this. This doesn't match and click on the next. So I'm showing here step by step. And you need to add the confirmation here, place pin, the location. Let's say, let's you now continue with this, but you need to be very precise while selecting. Do you provide deliveries or home and office visits? If yes, click on yes, otherwise no. So now next step will be that what contact details do you want to show to the customer? If you want to show, click on this yes. If you don't want, yes, click on that. But highly recommended that you need to show your business numbers and website, because the people will see and call to your businesses. Again, right now, as of now, you can enter, or right now I'm going to skip this. So this is very, very, again, important to what you can say, locate the number. To start verification, enter your phone number. So now the biggest mistake the most of the business owner do, that they will start just entering the number and start verifying the things, the business profile, but you don't do like that. So what my suggestion is that verify later, click on this, go back and fill all the things in detail, then you can do. And next, the step number 6 is that adding the business hour or working hours. This is very crucial. Let's say, for example, if your working hour is from 10 to 6 p.m. and someone is from 10 to 8 p.m. in that location, in that proximity for that particular keyword, the person who is on, who is in the working hour is the showing that it is open, the business will come on the top or maybe in your search. And this is the so critical. But if you are a business owner who are kind of 24 by 7, let's say emergency plumber or emergency pest control or emergency anything, you can click and do this 24 by 7. Let's say click on this and select the 24 by 7. And be cautious, if you are open 24 by 7, then only you can do this. Otherwise, it will impact your business and Google will punish you. Okay, so not doing that properly. So now I'll click on this skip, and step number 7, adding the business description. So you see that here is the 750, the characters you can add, but I see that most of the business owners just will add that, hey, we are XYZ business and we do this, 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 that's all. You need to add fully and very accurately what you do, everything, because people will go and visit and see that. And if you don't know how to write the description, take a help of ChatGPT and you type that, hey, I am the dentist, I provide the XYZ services, I'm in this location, I am opening this hours and all. So ChatGPT will help you to create the things. Okay. So now coming back to the adding these things. So description, you need to add fully description. Just I will type all the things here and click on the next. So next step is again very important. The step number 8, adding the photos. When I say that adding the photos, you don't just go and add the stock image, which looks so very luxury and which is creating by the AI and adding those. That is a big no to that, because Google will prefer natural, authentic, real images, videos. And it is not only one time, you need to add always let's say one photo is for your main profile, but adding the business profiles, the photos which you are, let's say, for example, if you're a dentist, the maybe whatever you are doing the service to that person, take that photos. If you are a plumber going and doing some plumbing work, take that images. If you are a pest controller, if you are a lawn cleaner, or maybe the car detailing, whatever business you are doing, real, authentic images are very essential to you to show to the people, and Google will prefer all these things. Let's say, as per now, you just have to click on this escape, and you see that here some of the images it is showing that to add photos for your business, and you need to add all the things. Let's say, for example, here the beauty studio, for example, packers and movers. It's giving the example, right? So now once you do this, advertise easily in minute, but you don't do this because we are not advertising. We are now just creating the business profile and skip all these last 3 steps. Now, your edit will be visible once you are verified and continue. So now what we did is we have not verified yet, but just we created. But what my advice is that See, if you see in Google, if you go and search here that whatever we created, the business A1 Dentition Bangalore, it is not registered, sorry, it's not visible, verified, and you have the option here. This is the your map. The your business is not visible to your customer, yes, because we are not verified. You need to go to edit, read reviews, photos, performance, advertise, edit product, edit services, bookings, Q&A, update. You update all these things and then go for the verification. Okay. So now again in the verification, there are three types of verification. Now, you don't have any control over what kind of verification you can select. You can select the verification, but the Google, most of the time, Google will suggest you do this one only. Sometimes Google will give three options. One is that the sending the postal code and OTP for your mobile, and the third one is the video verification. The first one is that sending the postal code, the people who choose the physical, the address, or let's say storefront or dentist, they will send the postcard to verify. Once it is arrived, it will take 7 to 14 days. You need to go and click on the verification and you need to enter that OTP, which is sent to via postal code. Second method, if you are a service provider, you will not get the postcode or postal card. You will be providing via OTP from the phone number, or there will be a video verification. As I told that you will not have any the control over that. If Google is telling that to you, verify over the video, you have to do that. Otherwise, there's no ways. So next, coming to the how you can do the video verification so easy. Don't get panicked and just what you want to show. You need to, let's say, there are three tips I will give. One is just plan. Before planning, they say plan what you want to film and what you want to say. That is very important. See what you want to do. First, if you are the storefront or something, right, you need to take the storefront video and the work where you have the location, or maybe kind of the office desk that you can show. If you have the physical address, you show your product and something else like that. And it should be within 1 to 2 minutes maximum. And don't make it more complicated. First time you may get the video or maybe panic or video may not come properly. That's fine. You need to retake 1 or 2 times. Definitely it will come. Okay. So again, very important thing is that if you wanna rank on the top, it's very important that you need to follow all the Google guidelines. You don't need to skip anything. If you do anything, your Google business profile is going to the suspend. Okay. So if you are someone like a local business, small and medium business owner, if you are looking to rank your business, or maybe if you want to come to the online, if you are still now in the offline. So myself and my team, we are here, the helping the businesses like you to come the rank on the top, or maybe rank in the first page, and most importantly, bringing the customer leads to your business or your services. So if you are someone who are looking to get the help, just click on the link in the description that take to the website. There is a form that you fill that and book an appointment with me or my team. We are going to help to you based on the discussion if we both right fit to work together. Okay, with that, I hope this video is very valuable to you, and I try to give as much as possible steps to create your Google My Business profile. So with that, I'm going to end this video. We'll be meeting in the next video. If you like, I know that I don't want to say this again. If you like, click on the like, subscribe, and also share to the other business owner, those may be looking for this kind of information. Okay, with that, take care. Bye.